Good day everyone. Um, so sorry this is actually coming late, but some people said something earlier that we've not been carrying everybody along. It seems we are not really getting what we want from the training. Well, I apologize for that. But one thing I just want us to just understand is we have a limited time and we have so many things to learn. But due to the fact that most of us must have complained about the state of learning, it seems we have to take ourselves more on the basics. If time permits, we'll go into some specialized drawing. So for this tutorial video, I believe we've learned a little bit on the basics of the computer, sort of the AutoCAD rather, the basics. So this afternoon we will be discussing on how to draw some basic and simple shape. I gave us this as an assignment and I'm making a tutorial video on it for us to go back and check very well. Then we'll still do the same thing as an assignment and submit. Now let me start with this. Let's call this a book. So we're starting this from the scratch. One thing I want us to understand is we need to have the ability to interpret drawings so well. Because if we can't interpret drawing, we find it difficult for us to draw such drawings. Are we getting it? So from here, let me start. Now this is what we are drawing, and I'll just move it to a new, or let me say fresh model space, and I'll start from there. So you can start from anywhere on your drawing, so it depends on how you interpret your drawing. That's where you are going to determine where to start. But for this drawing, I'll start from this part, this circular part. And in the course of you drawing, you must have heard of what we call concentric and eccentric circles. Concentric circles are circles that take their center from the same center point, while eccentric circles are circles that take their center from different center points. So looking at this shape, it is an example of eccentric circle. They are not taking their circle from the same center point. So let me start from this. So what would be our advice to do is we just start by drawing a vertical and an horizontal line. So let's just draw it like this using the line command. So from here, it says the radius. Now, looking at this one, it seems it is in inches. So what I advise us to do is anything you see, you just multiply it by 100. So this is 3.90. So just let's say it's 390, a circle of 390. I'll get it. So we just type in 390. Sorry, the circle command is C spacebar. You select the center there, then you specify your radius, which is 390. So that is radius, that's the circle rather. That's the circle. Just try and just extend this. Extend this EX double space bar. Just select. So also extend this downwards. Just make it a little bit longer. Just make it a little bit longer. So from this point to this point, looking at it upwards, you have it to be 0.80. So making it to be 80 since we are multiplying by 100. So you just offset 100. Offset space bar, offset 80. So this is 80, while this one is 80. So you just offset 82 times. This one, you also offset it again, that is 2. So the second or the inner circle is taking its radius from the second place, from this second center here. And the radius is what? 150. So that is 150. So that is that. So for this part here, it was stated that this circle here is what? 300. And looking at it, let's assume the center is on this line. So that means the edge will meet this line here. So let's just draw a circle of radius 300. And let's move it from this quadrant here. Let's move it to this edge here. You see it's not touching, so you have to just zoom it and move it to that side very well. To copy this circle, since the second this thing here is also 300, just copy that circle using the copy command, which is CO. Then select it from this quadrant here and move it to this end here. Let me move this image up a bit so that we can have a clearer view of what we are drawing. So from here we can trim. Okay, let's trim. Sorry, okay, oh. Yes, okay, so we can trim from here. Now the radius here is what? Is 30. So that means we'll fillet. The fillet radius is this. So we have to just fillet this, and the fillet command is F space bar R space bar, specify 30, and just select these two lines. That is all. So we're done with this part. So looking at the drawing, it was stated that from here to this point here, or let me say from here downwards, is 330 plus 240. And when you come here, quick calculator, you just press Control 8 for quick calculator. So 240 plus 330 is what? 570. So that means we are offsetting 570 from here. So just press your offset command, 0 space bar 570. The next offset distance is what? 50. That is 0.50 times 100. So offset 50. The next offset distance is 270. So we offset 270. The next offset distance is 20. That is 0.20 times 100. So you just offset 20. So from here it seems you are heading somewhere. So now look at the drawing very well. From the drawing you get the center point. This is what was used as the center point. This was what was used as the center point of our drawing. So now what we are going to do is we would draw the little rectangle we are looking at here, and from dimension it seems this thing extended forward by 0.2, which is by 20. So that means from these two edges here, this one and this one, you extend 20 to the right, 20 to the left. So your offset distance will be what? 20. So you extend from here to this place, you extend from here to this place. On getting this, you just trim. So on getting this, you trim. So it seems you are getting the shape gradually. So from here we were told that the radius here is 1.8. So 1.8 times 100 is 180. So you fillet it with a radius of 120, which is R space bar, sorry, F space bar, R space bar 180. So it is, you select this edge here and this edge here to get that. Yes. And after getting that, look at your drawing again. We were told that the fillet radius, that is the radius here, is 600. That is 6.00 times 100, which is 600. So we fillet it with the radius of 600. So select this circle and this line, and there you go. Are we together? So on getting these, you can easily start trimming some edges that you don't want. So you can just trim this. You trim this edge here, you trim the edge here. So looking at the drawing here, we were told that thing came, it was slanty, and they didn't give us the slanty distance, they gave us the distance at which the team met the other line, which is 0.2. 0.2 times 100 will give us 20. So from this edge here, you offset 20 into the shape. You select it from here, you select, so you set it inside, you take this one to inside. So you just draw a line from here. You draw a line from here. You also draw a line from here. And from there, you can trim so that you can get your original shape. You can get your original shape. Okay. So you can just start erasing the other lines you don't want. So from here you can change this line too. So I believe with this you'll be able to draw this line. So please, let's just find this video useful. In the course of the training, I would upload more, I will send more videos to us, and we'll also do more on dimension. So please pardon my manners, and let's just find this video useful. Thank you.